Every day, more and more people use airplanes as a mode of transportation around the globe, and aircraft manufacturers are constantly looking for innovative ways to handle the growing number of passengers. While many commercial airplanes can now carry over 500 passengers in a single flight, only a select few have attained the status of largest passenger aircraft in the world. These are the top 5 largest passenger aircraft in the world, sorted by a maximum number of seats. Number 5. Airbus A330-300. Serving the biggest megacities as well as airport hubs and key secondary destinations, the A330-300 continues to please airlines and passengers around the world. No comparably sized aircraft can match the A330-300's cost, efficiency and profitability, with significantly lower total operating cost per seat than its nearest competitor. As a twin-engine wide body that can carry between 250 and 440 passengers, it is flexible enough to offer a variety of seating options while consistently delivering high-quality comfort for all. Airbus relentlessly invests in the A330 further development to deliver continuous innovation for this fly-by-wire aircraft product line, resulting in lower cost and even better operability for the A330-300. In operational terms, an A330-300 with the increased takeoff weight can connect such cities as London to Tokyo, Frankfurt to Cape Town, Beijing to Melbourne, Kuala Lumpur to Paris, and Los Angeles to Dublin. Number 4. Boeing 777-300. The Boeing 777-300 is a wide-body, twin-engine jet airliner that is part of the Boeing 777 family. It is one of the largest passenger planes currently in service, with a typical seating capacity of 368 to 396 passengers. Depending on the airline's configuration, the aircraft has a length of 73.9 meters, a wingspan of 64.8 meters, and a height of 18.5 meters. The Boeing 777-300 is equipped with 2 powerful engines that allow it to travel long distances with a range of up to 11,305 kilometers. It is a popular choice for long-haul routes and is known for its comfort, reliability, and fuel efficiency. Number 3. Airbus A340-600. The super-stretch A340-600 is Airbus' longest jetliner, operating today with an overall fuselage length of 75.36 meters. The aircraft's capacity is between 320 and 370 seats in a typical layout, with up to 475 passengers accommodated in a high-density configuration, providing an ideal mix of capacity and efficiency for operators across the globe. Airbus A340-600 is an ultra-long-haul leader with a range of 7,900 nautical miles. In terms of range, the A340-600 offers unmatched operational flexibility on non-stop flights over remote areas such as oceans and mountain ranges. The A340-600 also includes state-of-the-art technologies such as weight-saving composite structures, a fuel-saving aerodynamic design, along with pilot-friendly cockpits, flight controls, and systems. Number 2. Boeing 747-8. The Boeing 747-8 is a wide-body, 4-engine passenger airplane that is an advanced version of the Boeing 747 family. It is the largest commercial airliner built by the Boeing and has a typical seating capacity of 467 passengers in a 3-class configuration. The aircraft has a length of 76.3 meters, a wingspan of 68.4 meters, and a height of 19.4 meters. The Boeing 747-8 is equipped with advanced engines and aerodynamic features, which makes it more fuel efficient and quieter than earlier models of the 747. The aircraft has a range of up to 14,815 kilometers and is often used by major airlines for long-haul routes. It is known for its spacious cabin, comfortable seating, and advanced entertainment systems. Number 1. A380-800. The Airbus A380-800 is a double-deck, 4-engine jet airliner that is the largest commercial passenger airplane in the world. It has a typical seating capacity of 525 passengers in a 3-class configuration, although this can vary depending on the airline's chosen configuration. The aircraft has a length of 72.7 meters, a wingspan of 79.8 meters, and a height of 24.1 meters. The A380-800 is equipped with advanced technologies and features such as fly-by-wire controls, advanced aerodynamics, and an on-board lounge and shower facilities available in some airline configurations. It has a range of up to 15,700 kilometers and is often used by major airlines for long-haul routes. The A380-800 is known for its spacious and comfortable cabin with a low noise level and is considered an engineering masterpiece for its advanced design and technologies.